How to use StreamYard on Facebook. Using StreamYard on Facebook simplifies live streaming, providing professional features and easy multi-platform broadcasting. Now say for example you're done setting up your StreamYard and you want to stream on Facebook. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, you're going to go ahead and click this one here, the destinations, and then you will be given here 3 options for streaming on Facebook. Streaming on page, group, or profile. Say for example we're going to use profile. I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And then I'll be redirected here wherein I can just go ahead and confirm my identity. Alright, there you go. StreamYard is requesting to post content to your timeline, so I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Alright, choose a Facebook profile, this one here. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. Now you have seen here your destination, it is already added. You can just go ahead and start streaming in this destination here. And congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to use StreamYard on Facebook. If you're interested in trying out StreamYard, go and click our affiliate link below in order to access the full version for 14 days entirely for free. This free trial will allow you to access StreamYard's best features. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.